It's been an eventful morning, but in a good way. So today was Peyton's first day back at school. I miss my little muffin. She's been home with me for the last couple of weeks. So I do miss her, but I'm happy that she's getting to go back to school and be with her friends, and I can kind of get back into my regular routine. So after I dropped her off to school, I came back home. I had some work to do for my 9 to 5, and then I got myself dressed and I had a discovery call with a potential client. Now, I think this call went really well. We'll see whether or not we will be able to move forward, but in essence, she's looking for some assistance with email marketing, and she's looking for some support in being able to build her strategy for 2022, which of course is definitely my area of expertise. So that's good. Then after that, I had another amazing call with a potential brand. I was able to capture some of the call. It was myself and actually a social media agency, and this agency was reaching out to me on behalf of a particular brand, and it's a pretty big brand. I'm really excited about it.
I'm so happy to connect with you.
Yeah. That was one of the reasons why I wanted, because sometimes it's easier to just talk on the phone versus through email, because I was like, this is kind of new to me as far as partnering with this is medical content, and I want to make sure, number one, for my followers, right, that the information I'm giving them is appropriate. Yeah, so I would be happy to share that. What now, you said, so you guys were looking for just IG, you mentioned IG. I'm looking at the email. IG, Facebook, and TikTok content, no YouTube content, correct?
Yeah, YouTube we would definitely be open to as well.
Those are two pretty big deliverables that I need to turn around. I have to do a custom package for the client who owns a small business, and then I need to do a custom package for the brand so that I can pitch what my idea is. Now, for those of you who have never pitched to a brand before, here's what I do. Again, there's many different ways to skin a cat, if you will, but this is what I do. I have an initial call where we just kind of get an idea of what they're looking for, and then I need to see whether or not that brand aligns with my brand, and whether or not I can add value. If I determine that I can, which in this case I definitely feel like there's alignment, I then ask them for usually a week turnaround, because I do have other clients I'm working with, and I also have my 9 to 5, and I also have YouTube content that I need to deliver, right? So, you know, in a perfect world, I could turn it around in 24 hours. If they needed me to do so, I could probably turn it around in 2 to 3 days. Never let a brand rush you too much. You want to make sure that you are delivering on quality, delivering quality content, and you don't want your content to suffer because you're trying to meet a deadline. Okay, just a quick tip there. But anyway, I am going to be turning it around for them in about 6 business days, which works really well for me. And so that's that. Now, after that, I spoke a little bit with my mom, and now we are jumping into making some cupcakes. Why? Because tomorrow I am also the cheer mom for my daughter's mini competitive cheer team. So we are having a little get together tomorrow. I'm really excited about it. One of my Spelman sisters, her daughter is also on the team as well, and she's going to be hosting this party tomorrow. So I'll definitely take some shots and some video there so you guys can see it, because it's going to be so cute. And I'm really excited about that. Now, I have been tasked with making cupcakes. So I will be making my famous chocolate Oreo cupcakes, which has an Oreo cookie base, and then it has your chocolate cupcake, and it's topped with like an Oreo filling buttercream. It tastes like Oreo filling. And then it's topped with another Oreo. And so I'll definitely take you guys through that now. So that's why I'm in the kitchen. We're about to get started, sis. We're about to make some amazing cupcakes for my little babies. I can't wait. friend's house. We're getting ready to have a party for these girls, and I have to tell you something. Mind blown. Mind blown, okay? This girl went above and beyond for this party. We had an event planner come in and set up everything for us, and she did, it's the kids playing in the background, so sorry for the noise, but she did an amazing job. It was absolutely amazing. The balloons, the little kid chairs, I mean, they're like clear, crystal clear chairs. Do you see how cute this is? It is absolutely perfect. So I'm so happy, and I know the kids are gonna be so happy. We are just putting some finishing touches up. And what I love about the event planner, it's a whole family effort. Mom, dad, cousins here helping. I love it. Everything looks gorgeous, and the kids are getting ready to come in soon.